Just relax, breathe. Don't worry, I have cool idea. Just to sit and breathe. Don't think about it.
Oh, my dress. Oh, I like pink color.
Yes?
This is my favorite one.
Oh,
Yeah,
I know.
It will be nice pattern. I see, I like it. Bright, more bright. Oh my God, I'm so excited to see the ending, what it will be. Wow, that's like wave. Okay, I'm not so nervous now.
Yes.
It will be very nice, very cool. That's like sun.
Oh my
Sun
God.
shining. I've never ever done before that.
Exclusive dress.
By the way, I see, yes, because that will be so unique patterns that you will never be able to do by yourself.
So,
Wow,
two
that's
colors in one.
Wow. I like the colors very much. They are very bright.
So,
Yes.
I almost finished it.
Yes,
And
okay.
I'm very excited what I need to do. But, look.
Yes, more pink. Yes, more pink. More pink, more pink, more pink.
Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah,
for
I'm very
this.
excited to see the result.
But I want to do the lines.
Yeah, to make more pattern like coffee, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
And then the finished.
Wow. I want to see the result. When I can go up.
Just for the second.
Okay.
I want to do the last one.
My dear, my
Please.
honey, where are you? Come to see my new dress. Come to see my new dress, dear.
So, are we
Look at all these patterns. Look at all these colors.
Sit and give me
Okay, I
hands.
need. Okay, at 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Yes. One,
2,
3.
Wow! I wanna see it. I wanna see it.
Come.
Let me go
Yes,
outside.
yes, it will. Awesome. Just awesome. Come to the
Okay,
sun.
let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Wow. It's amazing.
Yes, I never expected such bright results.
Wow.
I
It's
like
so
it.
Awesome.
Wow.
You know
so
what?
bright.
Need one more detail.
Wow. Oh wow.
Don't touch.
Just
Just a
in
second.
my heart. Okay. Okay. Why no one did it before? I like it so much.
Finished.
Honey, look! I'm so bright like a flower.
It's so cool.
Yes,
I'm happy for you
indeed.
too.
I'm happy too.
Yes,
Thank you
yes,
so much.
yes. Have a good dress and awesome